As parents and caregivers, we want to keep our little ones safe, especially while they sleep. Did you know that a baby's sleeping environment plays a critical role in their safety? Here are 5 key tips for safe sleep. Tip 1, always place your baby on their back to sleep for naps and bedtime. This is the safest position to reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, or SIDS. Tip 2, use a firm mattress and a tight-fitting sheet. There should be no extra bedding, pillows, stuffed animals, or bumpers in the crib. Tip 3, keep your baby cozy with a wearable blanket or sleep sack instead of loose blankets, which can be dangerous. Tip 4, share a room, not a bed. Room sharing helps reduce risks while keeping your baby close. Tip 5, keep the room at a comfortable temperature and avoid overheating your baby by dressing them in light layers. By creating a safe sleeping environment, you're giving your baby the best possible start